My first stop today was about 6 miles from my cabin, but couldn't pass up breakfast tacos. My wife said yesterday that I'm going to have to detox from this type of food when I get back home, which is 100% true. But you know, hey, when in Rome, or when in Texas. Quick stop at the Frio Canyon Motorcycle Shop and Vent Room Grill. Not a lot going on, but it is only, you know, 10 o'clock in the morning or so. So I'm headed east on 337, which is one of the Twisted Sisters. I think it's the same one that I rode a couple years ago. I came out here on a work trip to San Antonio and rented a bike, and, you know, was just blown away by how cool the roads are out here. So that's why I'm back. Okay, so this is 337. Missed a turn. It's not the end of the world. All roads basically lead to San Antonio from here. Plus, this gives me an opportunity to go back to Bandera. Okay, so it turns out Bandera is the cowboy capital of the world. I stopped at the Cowboy store, get some souvenirs. So I pull up to the Cowboy store and there's a guy on a Kawasaki Vulcan, I think. When he's loaded down, he's got all the gear on the back of his bike. And it turns out he lives full-time in the Philippines and came over here, bought the bike. Nevada, he said March 18th. It's now April 3rd, maybe, April 4th, I'm not sure what date it is. But everything he owns in the US was strapped to that bike. So I talked to the sales guy there who they walked me through the whole history of the town and, you know, all that stuff because I missed my turn. And that's what happens when you don't really have any plans. Nice little back road, and came around a corner and hit I-10. So kind of feel like this is a turning point in the trip. I'm going to be doing more highway now, more interstate highway. I'm still only halfway there. I still have half the country ahead of me. Made it to Beaumont, Texas. It's about 7:30 here. right before sunset again. Over 400 miles today. I'm going to try to upload some videos, clear out some memory cards, and get some dinner.